Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video on how to minimize how your phone consumes your data. Before I proceed, please consider subscribing to this channel. Click on the like button, share and comment below, and you can as well comment on the type of video you want about your laptop or about your phone that can actually fix it if you're having troubles or problem or challenges with your gadget. Now let's go into the tutorial. You go to your settings. Once you click on your settings, you locate wherever phone you are using where app management is on your phone, like app management. You click on the app management. This is an Android phone, so for Android, when you click on the app management, you go to app settings. Once you click on the app settings, it will load a page for you whereby all your applications are being listed. It's actually taking time to load. So once it's actually bring this kind of page of the list of the applications you have on your phone, just click on the application one after the other. Like I click on this now. Once you click on it, you will click on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Once you click on the mobile data and Wi-Fi, you see this background data that I turn on. You must actually you will have to turn it off. You have to turn everything off, like background data. Enable use of your mobile data in background, so your apps will not be using your data while you are not even using the app at all. Like for background research or stuff like that, the app will not be using your data in the background. So you have to disable using mobile data, background data. You have to disable it. So you do it like that for every of your applications. You have to go back again. You click on any application of your choice, like maybe your Chrome. Once you click on it, you go to mobile data and Wi-Fi. Once you click on mobile data and Wi-Fi, you disable it, background data, you disable it. So that's how you do it. You do it for each and every one of your applications on your phone. So after doing that, you will see that your phone data consumption will reduce drastically. It is going to reduce drastically. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, comment, share and like my videos. Thank you so much.